For this tutorial, we will be using the Avocado Tell You Happy Birthday DIY balloon box from Fiesta.com, which includes 48 5-inch balloons, 60 12-inch balloons, 4 18-inch balloons, and 3 Fiesta-themed foils. If this is your first balloon garland, we recommend starting with our general tips and tricks video for time-saving tips and installation instructions. Let's start by inflating your balloons. Inflate both the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons, tying into pairs as you go. Once you have 2 pairs tied together, twist them together at the knots to form a cluster of 4 called a quad. Set 12-inch quads aside for later. Inflate the 18-inch balloons and tie shut with an empty string balloon. We will use these to attach at the very end. Tie 5-inch quads together into pairs using one of the included string balloons. This will help us easily attach them to our garland once it is assembled. Inflate the included foils using the handheld pump included in your box. Be careful when inserting the pump into the valve so that you don't puncture through the foil. Tape the valve closed with Scotch tape and set aside. Now let's put it all together. Tie one of the included string balloons to your first 12-inch quad with a simple knot. Place the second quad on top of the first and wrap the string balloon around 2 of the balloons in the second quad in a figure 8. Repeat this step for all the 12-inch quads, tying on additional string balloons when needed. Make sure to attach all 3 quads for each color before moving on to the next color. Once you've assembled the main part of the garland, this is a great time to attach to the wall. As you can see here, I already have a hanger with a string balloon attached. Attach the 18-inch balloons by wrapping the string balloon around the 12-inch balloon nearest to where you want to attach. Now take the sets of 5-inch quads, stretch them apart, and floss them down between the 12-inch balloons. You can twist these around to put them in the perfect position. Make sure that you add the 5-inch quads to the corresponding color in the garland. Lastly, attach the foils using the included glue dots. Simply press the glue dots onto a latex balloon, peel the backing, and then press the foil on top for 10 to 15 seconds. We recommend attaching at 2 or more points.